welcome to this video. This video is just a flip through of this very small mini sketchbook that I have. I just finished. I filled it up with flowers, and I started with this one, which was a mock-up of what I thought was going to be my Paint With Me challenge painting. It didn't necessarily turn out like this, but it was a good little exercise that I did. And I started very roughly with flowers, or rather it was a rough start, and I don't really love painting flowers, but I did it anyway, and it's something that I wanted to practice just because it had been a while since I revisited flowers. I shared that before, and you can see that I deviated a little bit away from it. I was practicing some leaves because I felt like that was the thing that I had the most trouble with, actually, was leaves. And I guess the flower forms, and I was just treating this sketchbook as a book that I could play in and experiment with and not worry about it being good or bad. And so this first side was a little bit rough for me. I didn't really know what I was doing, and I was just testing some things. Towards the end, my mom had actually sent me some YouTube videos of Chinese brush painting that I had actually taken before when I was younger, and I had, not revisited it for a while. And I think there are a lot of techniques in there that are really beautiful that I wanted to take a look at in the videos, and it helped me sort of get an idea for how I wanted to paint flowers on the other side. And one of the videos that my mom sent me was of wisteria, Chinese wisteria done in brush painting, and so I wanted to give it a try. And that is what I did on this side. I actually started with this spread, and I loved it so much. I had so much fun doing this that I decided that I was going to paint the rest of the spreads the same way and just continue practicing. And so it ended up being a vertical spread. And I started at the very bottom, painted this one first, and then I moved up and painted this second one, and then I painted this last third one at the very top. And every single time I painted them, I felt like I got the hang of it a little better, and it was so fun. So I'll close it and show you what this other side looks like. It looks like this. And I actually shared the painting of this in a previous video, and so I will share that with you as a link here. So hopefully this was fun to take a look at. I'll do a really quick flip through again as a time lapse so you can see it, and I guess I'll be back with the next sketchbook that I finish. And I forgot to mention that this little tiny sketchbook that's in an accordion format is made by Ashley at Little Cabin Studios, and I will link her shop in the description below.